All right, James here, O.T.R.A. We're got this old 87 model Freightliner Wrecker for sale, and it's got a big cam Cummins in it. Been sitting now probably without starting probably about 1.5 years or something, but don't have time to work on it, so we're gonna go ahead and sell it. But we're gonna start it up here and just gonna squirt a little silicone spray in it, and like I say, it's been sitting for 1.5 years or so. Go ahead and hit it. Guys, he is running. See the fan is turning. Probably hear it running. He is a runner. Accelerator is a little sticky. Like I say, it's been sitting now probably 1.5 years or so. It needs some work, but it's a runner. Idle it down a little bit there. Alright, we'll shoot another video in a minute here when it warms up a little bit, builds up air pressure. Hello everybody, this is James with O.T.R.A. Roadside Services Incorporated in Cleburne, Texas. Just like to welcome you to my page and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like these videos. It helps us. We're here to serve you. We're here to serve our public. Just continue to subscribe and watch. We're going to have some different videos out. We'll like your comments so we can know what you'd like to see. Thanks again for watching.